asking, I'm drunk. I'm not drunk.
The promoters said you were saying offensive stuff
Okay,
on
okay,
stage.
call the police. He's coming
The
and he's tested
promoters,
me.
so they asked us to remove
You
you.
have tested. You are 1, 2, 3, 4, so many. One guy in there.
पाकिस्तान के मारूफ गुलकार नदीम अब्बास लूने वाला और उजरा जहां का लंदन में बड़ा शो दौरान परफॉर्मेंस कैंसिल करना पड़ गया। बरतानिया के बड़े वेन्यू O2 इंडिगो में शो के दौरान लड़ाई की वजह से शो कैंसिल करना पड़ गया।
If you carry on like this, we're gonna close the show completely, fully. We're just pausing the show. If you carry on like this, would you please kindly behave? Security, please let him stay. We are telling you.
And NGOs, but I specifically want to mention two in which I am deeply involved with. One is the SID, Sustainable Interventional Drive. Calm down, mate. Running. And what we are doing is we are educating